playing out.
Took all my money and my best friend. You know the story. Here it comes again. I have no pride. I have no shame. You gotta make it rain. Make it rain. Since you're gone, deep inside it hurts. I'm just another sad guest on this dark earth. I wanna believe in the mercy of the world again. Make it rain. Make it rain. Night's too quiet, stretched out alone. I need the whip of thunder and the wind's dark moan. I'm not able, I'm just Cain. Open up the heavens, make it rain. I'm close to heaven, crushed at the gate. They sharpen their knives on my mistakes. What she done, you can't give it a name. You gotta make it rain. Make it rain, yeah. Not a love without your kiss. Hell can't burn me more than this. I'm burning with all this pain. Put out the fire, make it rain. I'm born to trouble, born to fate. Inside a promise I can't escape. It's the same old world, but nothing looks the same. Make it rain, make it rain. Gotta make it rain. Make it rain. You got to make it rain. Got to make it rain. You got to. I'll stand alone here. I'll stand alone here. Sing, make it rain. Make it rain.
I got smoked. Should we just run through this bit next time? Like, what's going on there?
I'm afraid.
Just come in, Vivian. Just come in, push it.
I kill you.
Alright.
What the fuck?
That was crazy.